Oh, shit. Is it going? Oh, yeah, it's recording.
I've never had this app make this sound before. I can't explain why it is making this sound.
Just for the record, this is the Triangular Field in Gettysburg. But lots of weird things happen with electronics.
Hear that? It's very light now. Now that's a much softer sound than it was making before.
As soon as I turn this off, it'll do it again.
Yeah.
Let's hear some more of that gunfire. Blow the thing out of your hand. I just think it sounds different than thunder would sound. It would have to be...
And even so, Frederick.
What did it say?
Frederick.
Bass.
Frederick, bass. But my point is, I've never had it make that sound before.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to experiment and see if it does it other times. I've never had this app make that sound before. Tony. I've never had it make that sound.
Maybe it's the ghost telling us who they are. Did they use Tony much back?
I don't know, it's Tony with an E, so I really don't know what that means.
That could be a last name. That's weird.
And that's a very soft one again.
Yeah.
That's not as loud.
Maybe it's partly where the missiles are landing as much as the guns actually shooting. Okay.